Hey, do you need a temporary email address that actually looks the way you want it instead of settling for a random one with generic names and letters? If the answer is yes, then you're watching the right video. My name is Martin from Email Bouncer, and today I will show you how to create a customized temporary disposable email address that you can use to keep your primary inbox free from spam, junk, and unwanted emails using this awesome temporary disposable email generator website known as temp-emails.org. And if you're watching my video for the very first time, kindly hit the like button and follow me to subscribe for more quality email related content. So to get started, simply visit this web address on any of your internet enabled device. Could be your PC, could be your desktop computer, could be your mobile phone, could be your iPad. And the web URL once again is temp-emails.org. And once it loads up, this is the interface that you would see. This is it right here. And one cool thing about this platform is that it has a light and dark mode feature. So if you want to switch to the light mode, you simply toggle this icon right here. And you could switch from light to dark mode. So the first thing first is you need to close the cookie policy pop-up at the bottom of the screen and also complete the capture challenge just to prove that you are not a robot. So now that we've completed the capture challenge, we need to go to the next step. We need to specify the domain. Now this platform has multiple domains and at the time of recording this tutorial, there are only 3 domains, and you have the first 2 or 3 domains, and the third one is for members only. You need to sign up if you want to use any of the member only domains. So I'm going to go for one of the 3 domains, and I'll specify my username. So here I could say Donald Trump, and I click on create. So that's it. Now I have my custom temporary disposable email address with Donald Trump at Oasis.us, and you could do the same. You type in whatever you want. It could be your name, could be your nickname, could be an alias, or even your business name. And this tool will generate a customized temporary disposable email address for you, and you could combine it with any letters, anything you want at all, and this tool would help you generate the desired output that you want. Now you could copy your custom email and use it anywhere to sign up. You could use it to test newsletters, sign up for surveys, or use it to receive OTP one-time codes. All it takes is just a few clicks and you will get a personalized temporary email that keeps your main inbox free, clean, and away from spam and unwanted junk. So that's it. Thanks for watching and keep an eye out for my next tutorial. And if you found this video very helpful and valuable, kindly repost and share. Remember, sharing is caring and caring is sharing. So I'm signing off. Peace out. Bye for now.